Finding the source of a leak can be one of the most frustrating challenges in automotive service. However, with the right tools and techniques, you can turn this headache into a profitable repair opportunity. Let's talk about the best methods for finding leaks in your customers' vehicles. There are several different types of leaks you might encounter in a customer's vehicle, and each requires a specific approach to diagnose and repair. Let's start with AC system refrigerant leaks. One of the easiest and most effective methods is using ultraviolet dye. Add a small amount of UV dye to the system, run the AC for a while to circulate the dye, and then inspect with a UV light. You've probably done that one a lot. But what about leaks in less visible areas, like inside the HVAC unit or in an evaporator? In this case, an electronic leak detector is your best friend. Look for a model that can detect multiple refrigerant types, including HFC, CFC, HCFC, and refrigerant blends. If you've got an engine that just doesn't run right despite your best efforts, a vacuum leak may be the culprit. Diagnostic leak detection tools that inject gas or smoke into the system should be used in these situations. These machines feed artificial carbon dioxide or smoke into the intake manifold and are often mixed with UV dye to make leaks more visible. EVAP system leaks can be particularly challenging to find with smoke because these systems are so small. They are designed to detect holes as small as 0.0014 of an inch, which can be nearly impossible to see, even with smoke. For these ultra-small leaks, filling the system with an inert gas like carbon dioxide and using an electronic detector may be more effective. Just keep in mind that these systems require smoke machines that operate at very low pressure, only about half psi, to avoid damaging components or overpressuring the system. A scan tool with bidirectional control capabilities will help to properly seal the system during testing by controlling the purge, vent, and other valves. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.